Have you ever noticed a little blood after passing stool, or perhaps you experience pain, itching, burning, or a feeling that something is not quite right while sitting? So, if yes, then today's video is for you. So, many people suffer from piles, also known as hemorrhoids. Some ignore the problem, others keep trying ointments and home remedies without understanding why the problem started in the first place. So, the truth is, in many cases, piles are not just a problem of the rectum. They are often the result of unhealthy bowel habits that keep on developing over months or even years. So, today let's discuss some practical and scientifically sound lifestyle measures that can help manage piles and reduce the chances of recurrence. So, first, let's understand one important thing. One of the biggest reasons behind piles is excessive straining during the bowel movements. And why does this straining happen? Most commonly because of constipation. So hard stools require more effort to pass, increasing pressure on the veins around the rectum. So over time, these veins can become swollen and painful. So this is why the first step in managing piles is improving the quality of your stools, and that begins with your diet. So let's talk about fiber. Fiber acts like a natural broom for your digestive system. It absorbs water, adds bulk to the stool, and helps it pass more easily. So if you suffer from piles, make sure your daily meals include plenty of green vegetables, spinach, fenugreek leaves, amaranth, drumstick leaves, dill leaves, and other seasonal greens that can be of excellent additions in your diet. So along with vegetables, include fruits that naturally contain fiber like apples, pears, oranges, sweet lime, bananas, figs, plums, prunes are particularly useful. These fruits help soften the stool and encourage regular bowel movements. Whole grains are equally important. So instead of relying entirely on refined flour products, try incorporating oats, jowar, bajra, ragi, barley or quinoa into your meals. So small changes repeated every day often produce the biggest results. So now let's discuss something that many people overlook. Your gut bacteria. Yes, the trillions of microorganisms living inside your intestines play a major role in digestion and bowel regularity. So when this balance is disturbed, constipation and digestive issues can become more common. So including probiotics in your diet can be very much helpful. So curd, buttermilk and other naturally fermented foods may support a healthier gut environment and a better bowel movement. The next point is extremely simple, yet many people ignore it, and that is water. You can eat all the fiber in the world, but if you don't drink enough water, the stool may remain hard. Try to maintain adequate hydration throughout the day. For most healthy adults, around 2 to 3 liters of fluid daily can be beneficial. Now, this can include plain water, lemon water, vegetable soups from vegetable juices, cucumber infused water, or aloe vera juice. So hydration and fiber work as a team. So one without the other is often less effective. So now let's talk about your body weight. Many studies have shown that excess body weight increases pressure inside the abdomen and around the pelvic region. So this can worsen hemorrhoidal symptoms. So if you are overweight, gradual and sustainable weight loss may help reduce the frequency and severity of piles. So another important factor is your washroom habits, and this may surprise you. Many people spend around 10 to 15 or even 20 minutes sitting and scrolling through their phones. So this habit increases pressure on the rectal veins. Ideally, when you feel the urge to pass the stool, then go to the washroom, finish your bowel movements and come out. Avoid prolonged sitting and avoid straining. Regular exercise is another powerful tool. And so you don't need expensive gym memberships. Even a brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can stimulate bowel movements, improve circulation and support digestive health. Many people also ask about natural remedies for constipation. So certain foods and natural supplements may help improve your bowel regularity. So these include isabgol, chia seeds, soaked black pumpkins, prunes, aloe vera and ripla. However, remember that every individual is different. What works for one person may not work for another. So one important point, if you notice persistent bleeding, severe pain, sudden changes in bowel habits or symptoms that keep on worsening, please do not self-medicate. We need proper medical evaluation. So now before I end this video, I would like to share something important. I am Dr. Priyanka Mangla Agarwal, a homeopathic physician. And in homeopathy, the management of hemorrhoids is not limited to providing temporary relief from pain, itching, or bleeding. The aim is to understand the individual as a whole, address associated digestive disturbance such as constipation, and work on the factors that may be contributing to the recurrence of the condition. So, by supporting digestive health and improving overall well-being, homeopathic management seeks to address the root tendencies behind recurring hemorrhoidal complaints. So, if you are suffering from piles and would like a personalized guidance, feel free to consult. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video.